ਭਾਰਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਦੀ ਦੂਜੀ ਲਹਿਰ ਲਗਾਤਾਰ ਖਤਰਨਾਕ ਸਾਬਤ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਪਿਛਲੇ 24 ਘੰਟਿਆਂ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਵੀ ਰਿਕਾਰਡ 4,12,000 ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਕੇਸ ਦਰਜ ਕੀਤੇ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਉਧਰ ਸੁਣਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਡਾਕਟਰਾਂ ਤੋਂ ਕਿ ਕੋਰੋਨਾ ਵਾਇਰਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਚਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕੀ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ।
It's a tough time again. I would say that the COVID infection is spreading like anything, and now we crossed more than 4 lakhs cases a day, which is a big amount, a huge number. In fact, if we go by the data which was given by the World WHO, they said that more than 50% of the new cases are coming from India itself. And even the mortality is quite high, almost 25% of the mortality in the world is by the India. So that's a very bad news and a sad news. And then the way the numbers are increasing, even the positivity rate is increasing. We had touched as low as 4-5%. It is again now crossing 20%, 25% in many states, including Delhi. So I hope we are able to curtail it down. But this particular new strain is really very deadly. It is more infectious, spreads like anything. It is involving the younger generations, and many times it is causing problem in the later time or later part of the duration. I would say on 8th, 9th, 10th day, which was not seen in the previous infection, because their patient used to have problem within 4th, 5th day, but very rarely after 10 days. But now we are seeing even 10th, 11th day patient are deteriorating, and very fast they dip in the saturation. So this is really causing a lot of problem to us.
Sir, the third COVID wave inevitable. We should be prepared. Centers top scientific advisors warning.
So there was a statement by one of the topmost scientists that the third wave is almost inevitable. That's going to come next within few months or weeks. So don't know, can't comment, because this is a difficult situation, and we are very difficult to really comment on it, because COVID has proven all prediction wrong. It has always surprised us. Whenever we thought it's going to go down, it has come with a big way, and whenever we thought that it's coming with a big way, so we were able to curtail it down. So I think before we really see what the virus is going to do, at least we should start behaving better. We should adopt the COVID appropriate behavior, the social distancing, the hand hygiene and the masking. So at least that's the only way we can stop it, along with the vaccination, of course.
WHO accounts for nearly 50% of world's new COVID-19 cases, 25% of deaths.
So I already said that this is what is happening now, because WHO says that 50% of the cases new cases are coming from Delhi, and about 25% of the deaths. So it's something which is to be very worried. Maybe the different strains which are troubling us, the strains which we talk about, not only the South African, the Brazilian, but now we have a double mutant strain within the Indian. So probably these strains are the ones which is really engulfing most of them, and we have had patients who have got infection even after receiving the vaccination, but fortunately their disease was less severe. And we have also had patients who have got reinfection after 3-4 months. Again they are having the infection once again.
So now Bengaluru emerged. Before we have seen that Mumbai is maximum number of cases in Mumbai, and now Bengaluru, Delhi is already cases increasing. There is going on. So what is the reason? State by state, there is different data.
So what has happened is that because this time there is no border is not sealed of the different states or the different cities. So once you have it from one state, you can have it from the other state next day, because people are still traveling from one place to the other, and because of that you can have a different data from the different states or the different cities. Now yesterday the Bengaluru had a maximum number of new cases. Few days back it was Delhi. A week back it was Maharashtra, Mumbai. So it is all are getting infected, and it is traveling very fast, this virus. So I think this is a time when we should retrospect. It is a time when few strict measures to be taken, because everything is going out of hand otherwise.
सर अगर बात करें कि तो 4 लाख क्रॉस कर गया है, लगभग 4000 डेथ्स हो गए हैं। केसेस जो है कल ही अगर कल की बात करें तो 3,82,000 मॉर्निंग की जो डेटा आई थी, लेकिन बिल्कुल अचानक से जो नंबर्स हैं वो काफ़ी बढ़ रहे हैं। कितना चिंता का विषय है ये?
बहुत ज़्यादा चिंता का विषय है। कहाँ हम केसेस को बहुत कम ले आए थे और कहाँ एकदम से 4 लाख क्रॉस करने की बात आ रही है एक दिन में। सो इतना नंबर के केसेस न्यू आएंगे तो डेफिनेटली मोर्टेलिटी भी ज़्यादा है, मॉर्बिडिटी ज़्यादा है, तो ये बहुत चिंता का विषय है। और कुछ स्ट्रिक्ट मेजर्स कर रही है गवर्नमेंट, मुझे लगता है और ज़्यादा करना चाहिए।
ABP Sonja, जोश जज्बा जुनून।